Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2019 through 2022 and likely beyond Hyundai Veloster 3-door hatchback. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine tower set of 4 and the JetStream load bars set of 2, available in black or silver, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There's a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track in which the tower is fastened. Alongside that track are measurement numbers, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct placement of the tower on the bar. The tower itself, it has multiple adjustments to provide a very customized fit to the vehicle. To access those adjustments, you remove this outer cover, and to do so, you just press in on the 3 dots on both sides of the upper portion of the cover and pull back and down. Now you can see the interior of the cover. The first fastener we'll look at is underneath this hatch, so we pull back on that hatch and it gives us access to the fastener which tightens the tower to the bar. That fastener also has 3 positions of pitch, which is the angle of the bar on the tower, and that will help to compensate for curvature in the roof line. Now when I press back against that panel here, you'll see how it restricts access to that fastener for security. Now we can go ahead and look at this lower adjustment. This is the toe adjustment. Let's go ahead and loosen that up and I'll explain what that does. So with that fastener loose, you can see here there's 3 positions of toe for the pad and clip set assembly, and that will provide a very customized fit within the door frame and roof line. Now when we tighten this up, this tool is included with the towers and it will click once you've reached the full tightness. And this same tool is used for all the fasteners on the tower. Okay, within the foot we have another adjustment here, which when that fastener is tightened, it will pull down on this clip against the door frame, and under this hatch is the final adjustment, which when you tighten that fastener, it will pull upward on the clip against the door frame. So the clip itself is a strong steel material with a durable black powder coat finish. On the underside is a rubber pad to provide grip into the door frame and also protect the painted surface. This pad assembly here, rubber that comes in a variety of different shapes to best match where it rests on the roof, and it pivots on a plastic base. Now we can go ahead and return the cover back on, and we just attach at the bottom and it clicks at the top. Now here you have a plastic plug, and that plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima same key system lock core. These cores are sold separately in matched sets so that all 4 of your towers can all be key matched, as well as other accessories and carriers that are part of the Yakima same key system or SKS system. That way you have the convenience of 1 key security for all your Yakima gear. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.